Hi guys, welcome to Pioneer. I hope you're having an absolutely fabulous first day. Getting really excited about meeting all these great new people, learning more about your lab, and getting psyched for what you're going to be learning in your lab this year. I am Miss Woods. I am one of your environmental science teachers this year. I'm really looking forward to meeting you all. And I'm really sorry that I'm not there to greet you in person. Why am I not here? Well, actually, right now, while you guys are sitting in my classroom, I will be flying home from Crieff, Scotland. So, where's Scotland? Where's Crieff? On the map on the board, you see the US. If we go to the east a little bit, turn around here, you can see Europe coming up over there. Make sure the map's up there. There is the UK, those two islands, with Ireland on the left and Britannia on the right. And Crieff is there just at the start of the Highlands in Scotland. So why am I in Crieff, Scotland? Why didn't I plan my vacation a little bit better? It's actually not a vacation. The reason I'm not there at this time, or I had to do that, or this came up, is because I have a learning opportunity. Throughout the year, I am part of an organization that plans the Ohio Scottish Games that takes place at the beginning of the summer every year. So the Ohio Scottish Games are a really cool event where we do some heavy athletic events, have competitions like you see the hammer throw and the caber toss there. We also have some traditional events like Highland dancing, Scottish harp, Scottish fiddle, those sort of things. We have places where you can learn about your Scottish heritage or Scottish heritage of your family. Or if you'd like, you can just sit back, relax, and kick to some Celtic rock music. So I'm part of that. That's what I do every summer. I'm actually one of the presidents of the organization. This year, we were invited to Crieff, Scotland as part of our sister games, the Crieff Highland Gathering. We have a relationship that we go back and forth and share ideas with the directors of the Crieff Gathering. It was an extra special year this year because our former Ohio Games president was chieftain of the games at this year's Crieff Highland Gathering. So we got to see that. We also took some opportunities to learn more about how Crieff does some of their events and how we are the same and how we are different for those different things. Crieff is a set date, so it's actually was Sunday, yesterday, August 19th, was a Game of the Gathering. So we sort of planned around that and made sure I could get back to school as soon as possible, but I wanted to see the event. Now, just so you know, it's not like I was out somewhere getting a suntan because the weather is actually rather chilly and very damp. So we got a little chilled. I'm in my sweatshirt now trying to get warmed up from the great day, but it's not like I was in Hawaii or anything. So that's what I've been doing. I also took some opportunity while we were in the UK to see some sites like, Stonehenge or the alley where they filmed Diagon Alley for the Harry Potter films. Or, of course, you can't go to Scotland without seeing Loch Ness. So we stopped there as well. But it wasn't all just fun and games. I did take some opportunity to really look at some stuff and talk about how what we can be doing in environmental science this year. I was really excited. Actually, Loch Ness, they had some really great information about why there can't be a Loch Ness monster, and I can't wait to share that with you when we talk about food chains. We also stopped in Iceland while we were there, and I saw this lake actually lies on the boundary between two tectonic plates. So we have the Eurasian plate and the North American plate moving together at Iceland, which is awesome. I saw some of the environmental things like geyser. This is the geyser that all other geysers get their names from. So that was really cool. I also got a chance to walk up to a glacier and touch it, which was wonderful. So I'll share some more of that with you throughout the year. I also did some recon work on how the different countries are talking about environmental protection and what they're happening. UK was really cool. Each of their roadside stops, they actually had a car recharge station. This one was Tesla, but they're all different kinds. So you know how one of the biggest problems with electric cars is that you can't go really far because you don't have the charge. But they have recharge stations there, so you can take a break, just like a gas station, get a recharge going, and continue on the road. So the electric cars can actually be better used in the UK. Iceland had all this stuff about sustainability around. This was a poster right above a water refill station for a water bottle. They have them a lot more places than we do. We're doing pretty good, but this one's better. They did a little bit better. This particular poster talks about sustainability, which I thought was great because that's what we're going to be talking about this year in environmental science is sustainability. It's our main thing. So right now, I know it's the first day of school, but I do have some homework for you. I want to know how many of you know what sustainability is right now. So tomorrow, when you come in, if you can tell me what sustainability is, I have a special prize for you. So I hope the rest of your first day is absolutely wonderful. And I can't wait to come in tomorrow, greet you in person, and start getting to know each other so we can start this wonderful year together. So again, welcome to Pioneer, and we'll see you tomorrow.